Kontento ako sa itsura ko. Proud ako sa ugali ko. Masaya ako sa buong pagkatao ko. At hindi ko to babaguhin para magustuhan lang ako ng ibang tao. Accept me, reject me, or judge me. I'm still me. Because I'm born to be true, not to be perfect.
Dear Lord, thank you for the breath in my lungs this morning. Thank you for waking me up and giving me another chance at this life. Thank you for this warm cup of coffee and the roof over my head. I'm sorry, God, for anything that I take